Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Messenger app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, not here. In the first page, after that here you can click on storage, and then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data, because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.